Hey, I noticed that only about 1% of you who watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you enjoy the content I'm creating, consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks for your support. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, we're diving into the built-in desktop mode on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, a feature that also works on the Pixel 9 Pro. I can't confirm if it's available on the regular Pixel 9, but straight out of the box, this device supports video output over USB Type-C, also known as alt mode. From the developer settings, you can enable desktop mode with multi-window support and resizable windows. While it might not be as advanced as Samsung DeX or Motorola Ready for, it's a solid option if you're a Pixel user looking to get a big screen desktop experience without extra hardware. To get this up and running, you'll need a display that supports USB Type-C video input or an adapter. There are tons of affordable options on Amazon, and you can even use a USB Type-C Steam Deck dock, which is really budget-friendly. I'll include links in the description for those interested. By default, you can mirror the display from the Pixel 9 Pro XL to a larger screen. A pop-up on the Pixel will prompt you to mirror the screen, and this works right out of the box. No need to mess with developer settings or anything like that. With a wired connection, you'll experience zero input latency, perfect for watching videos or playing games. However, there's no multi-window support in mirroring mode, and you might notice black bars at the top and bottom of the screen when playing games like Minecraft. This happens because the Pixel 9 Pro XL's built-in screen doesn't match the 16:9 aspect ratio of most monitors and TVs. Enabling desktop mode is straightforward and doesn't require root access. There's also an app I highly recommend for enhancing your desktop experience called Taskbar, available on Google Play. To enable desktop mode, start by going to your settings, scroll down to About Phone, find the build number, and tap it several times until you unlock developer options. Once you've unlocked developer settings, navigate to System Developer Options. Here, you'll want to enable Force Desktop Mode, enable Freeform Windows, and force activities to be resizable. After enabling these, you'll need to reboot your device for the changes to take effect. Now, let's talk about the Taskbar app. Once installed and running, it gives you a menu with various options, including a section specifically for desktop mode. Enabling this feature will give you an on-screen taskbar, making navigation much easier when your device is in desktop mode. After enabling desktop mode and launching Taskbar, when you connect your phone to an external display, you'll get a full-screen desktop interface rather than just a mirrored screen. This desktop interface supports multi-window functionality, allowing you to resize windows and run multiple apps simultaneously. For example, you can open Chrome in desktop mode for a larger browsing experience, or use Adobe Rush for video editing. Although the Snapdragon G4 CPU in the Pixel 9 Pro XL isn't as fast as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it handles tasks like video editing and multitasking fairly well. You can also use the Taskbar app to add widgets, customize the wallpaper independently of your phone, and more. While this setup isn't as feature-rich as Samsung DeX or Motorola Ready for, it's still very usable. You can browse the web, edit videos, or even play games on a larger screen. Gaming in particular works well with this setup, whether it's running Minecraft, Call of Duty Mobile, or emulating older games like Marvel vs. Capcom 2 using the Redream emulator. The new G4 CPU provides enough power to run these games smoothly, even at higher settings. In conclusion, while Google hasn't heavily advertised this feature, it's a useful tool for Pixel users. If you're interested in using your Pixel device in desktop mode, I highly recommend installing Taskbar and investing in a good USB Type-C dock or adapter. I'll leave links in the description for some of the docks and adapters I personally use with my Pixel and Samsung devices. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below if you plan on using desktop mode with your Pixel 9. This feature is also available on the Pixel 8 Pro XL with the latest Android update, so you can enjoy the big screen experience on that device as well. As always, thanks for watching.